Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I want to talk to you today about this 2019 Jayco 212 QBW. It's a 21-foot floor plan. It packs a lot in, and it's a really sleek design too. So we're going to start off on the tongue, get two 7-gallon liquid propane tanks. You have a electric tongue jack, makes it easy on and off, and the 7 gallons really do kind of the heavy lifting for your heating and your insulation and making sure your tanks stay toasty as everybody inside. I'm going to walk through here. We have a huge pass-through right here. That pass-through is accessible from underneath the bed. You have some kind of pneumatic gaskets that help with the lifting of the bed, so you can actually get in and out whatever stuff you need you put in there pretty easily from outside or inside too. You have a really big awning on this thing, so you have a 21-foot floor plan. It looks like about an 18-foot awning here as well. You have outdoor speakers that are positioned on the awning itself, so you can make some friends, or really it's your choice. You can make some enemies too when you're in camp. So let's go inside. Now right off the interior, you take a right and you have your big walk-around queen bed. On either side you have your hanging storage for any clothes you want to bring along, and also some folding storage as well. Like I was talking about, you have access to under the bed. The whole thing lifts up a ton of space under there. Really easy to put enormous lawn chairs, grills and everything, really easy in and out. And it's not going to get away from you. You have plug-ins on either side of the bed, plus you have a TV mount right inside the bedroom too. You have a privacy curtain that's going to help you out and really give a good division of space to this. As you walk into the main galley here, galley area, 3-burner stove, double basin sink here too. Really nice, allows you to wash in one and rinse in the other, and not really waste a ton of water there. Really nice hardware pull down on that faucet there as well. A lot of storage and drawers, as well as your nice 3-burner stove plus an oven here. So everybody always likes to bring cookies along, make some cookies. A really good option there. Right across from this, you have your bathroom. One of the things that Jayco does that's really nice is they generally give a deeper basin for the tub. So anybody who's a little bit concerned about a shallow basin for the tub and water getting out because of the curtain, Jayco does a really nice job on that of mitigating that as well. A nice vanity and medicine cabinet in there as well. You can actually store stuff in there instead of just having essentially a really shallow or a medicine cabinet, or boom, just a mirror on the back. Now here I think is where this unit shines, is you actually get secondary seating. You get some nice actually lounge space right next to your dinette, and this is all surrounded by a ton of windows. It's really bright. A lot of really good natural light comes in here, and I always say that when you take some time to get somewhere, it's really nice to see where you got to once you land, and this is actually where you're going to be where you're relaxing too. This couch actually turns into a bed really easily, just jackknifes flat. Boom, and this also converts into a bed. So technically, if you have some guests along, you can bring along quite a few people here. And if you have any other questions about this trailer or any other trailer on the lot, stop on by and say hello, or call me 773-655-7190. Again, my name is Jake. Thank you.